Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with a very exciting video for you guys, and I'm sure that a lot of you guys will be very interested in this topic. So recently I've been getting a lot of questions from you guys asking which one is better, onion or ginger for hair growth. So yes, I'm going to let you know guys which one I think is better for you guys, whether it's the onion mask or whether it's the ginger mask. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. But before, I have to let you guys know that I am in no means an expert, a professional or a skin specialist. Okay, but I have made my own research, I have made my own investigation about this topic, and I have come to a conclusion. Of course, what works for me might not work for you guys, so remember that. Okay, so here are my findings. For me personally, what I think is that onion is better for oily people, like oily scalp people, and ginger is better for those people who have dry, itchy scalp and for those people who have dandruff. And I personally like using onion on my hair rather than using ginger. And I know you guys might be thinking, onion, seriously, it smells yuck. Yeah, I know it smells really bad, but remember the results you're going to get afterwards. So onion and ginger both are an incredible and very effective remedy for hair growth. But like I said, for some people onion might work better, and for some ginger. Like so many of my friends told me that ginger works better for them. But when I further investigated, I came to know that they have dry and itchy scalp, and they also suffer from dandruff. But me personally, I don't have dandruff and I have oily scalp and not dry. So I further investigated and came to an understanding that onion might work better for oily scalp people and ginger works better for the dry, itchy scalp people. Ginger really helps to eliminate dandruff, and it is very important to eliminate dandruff if you are trying to grow out your hair. If you have dandruff, then it's actually impossible to grow out your hair. This happens because dead skin cells clog your hair follicles, leading to hair fall. Ginger has potent antimicrobial properties that help control dandruff and in turn curbs hair loss. So if you are one of the kind, and if you have dry, itchy, dandruff scalp, then go for ginger. I'm sure that ginger will work better for you. But if you're like me, if you have oily scalp, then go for onion, because onion is going to work better for you. Onion is rich in antibacterial and antifungal properties, so the use of onion for hair truly helps keep hair loss at bay. Onion is also rich in sulfur, which is known to minimize breakage and thinning. They improve blood circulation, which is another way they contribute to hair growth. Now, if you don't like the smell of onion, then what you can do is you can add like 2 to 3 drops of peppermint oil or tea tree oil or even lavender oil. They also help in hair growth, and they also help in eliminating the smell a little bit. Not too much, but a little bit. But don't worry guys, the smell of the onion is going to fade away in a few hours. And what you can do is you can also wash your hair with rose water, like you can rinse your hair with rose water after washing your hair. Or what you can do is add little bit of rose water into a spray bottle, and you can just spray it all over your hair, and that also will help to eliminate the odor of onions. Okay, so some of you guys have also asked me whether it's okay to mix onion and ginger together. Yes, it is okay to mix onion and ginger together, but you have to mix it properly. The ratio should be proper so that it works better for your hair. You get the maximum benefit out of the hair mask. If you guys want me to make a video on mixing both the ingredients together, then let me know in the comment section below and I shall make the video for you guys, maybe next week. So I have already made a video on onion hair mask and a ginger hair mask. If you guys haven't watched it yet, then go ahead and watch it. Okay, I'll leave the links in the description box below and also at the end of this video. Just click on it, watch it and decide for yourself. See which one works better for you. You can even try both the hair mask and just see which one works better for you. So yes, that's it for this video guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please give a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already, and also click on the bell icon so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. And do share this video with your friends and family, and also follow me on my Instagram and other social media. The links will be in the description box below. So yes, thank you guys, bye, love you.